Guys, market update for June 16, Monday. So, high impact news natin for this week. So, medyo magiging busy yung week na to, especially for the Forex market. Marami tayong high impact news. So, Monday, so today, wala pa naman. But Tuesday up until Friday, marami tayong high impact news. So, tomorrow, Tuesday, meron tayo sa yen and USD. And then on Wednesday, GBP, USD, and then CAD. And then, of course, Thursday, dito maraming high impact news. First, we have FOMC 2 AM yan, USD, and then Kiwi, meron tayong GDP, and then next, Aussie, Swiss, and then GBP. So make sure to watch out for that. And then on Friday, we have GBP and Japanese yen. So make sure na aware kayo sa high impact news natin for this week, anong day, and then anong oras, and of course, anong currency yung pwedeng maapektuhan. Okay? So, punta tayo sa chart. Let's start with dollar index daily time frame. So, basically, for the past few weeks, yung momentum natin with Dixie still to the downside. Structure-wise, bearish pa rin. We're creating lower lows and lower highs. Pero right now, we're sitting at this support level. So if we look left, support natin yan before. And if we look further left, meron tayong decent reaction dyan before. Nag-act din siya as support. We also have developing divergence, bullish divergence. So yung RSI or yung oscillator natin gumagawa na ng higher low, but then yung price natin lower low pa rin. So meron tayong potential bullish divergence, but it doesn't mean na magre-reverse na overall yung trend ng market, no, but there's a possibility na magkaroon tayo ng maybe short-term upside move. Now in terms of trend change for dollar index, I need to see 101.90 area na mag-break, mag-close, and mag-trade above that level for us to be bullish, mag-change yung overall view natin sa dollar index, no. Kasi once we break that high, technical wise, magkakaroon tayo ng higher high. So that would really change yung pinaka structure ng market from lower lows and lower highs to higher highs and higher lows. But right now, as long as we're trading below 101.90, still yung overall directional bias natin is bearish. But again, since we're sitting at this support level, we might see a short-term recovery from dollar index. Euro USD, so inverse lang siya ng dollar index. Kung yung dollar index sitting at support, Euro USD currently sitting at resistance level. So ito yung resistance looking left, right? This one potentially failed breakout, especially kung magko-close tayo. Let's say for example today mag-close yung price below this level, especially below Friday's low. That would mean itong ginawa niya is failed breakout, and then potentially pwede tayong bumaba o makakita ng decline, maybe back to this minor support or immediate support at 112. So sa intraday natin, it doesn't look like magre-reverse, right? Kasi parang kung titingnan natin, ito yung impulse, parang nagpo-form lang din tayo ng bull flag, which is a sign of continuation pattern. But again, if we close below this Friday's low, right, may potential na magkaroon tayo ng decline. So of course, it doesn't mean na pag nangyari yun, magre-reverse na yung overall trend natin, which is bullish. possible lang na magkaroon tayo ng short-term downside move. Okay? So, Euro-USD, medyo neutral ngayon. So we're sitting at resistance. Hindi pa rin tayo talaga nakakalabas diyan sa level na yan. Maybe if we break out, clear breakout from this high, possible mag-continue yung bullish momentum. But for now, more on wait and see tayo. Cable, GBP USD. So this one on a daily time frame, very bullish. Very bullish, but so first, tingnan muna natin looking left, may very good support level tayo dito, previous resistance, right? Previous resistance before nag-breakout and then retest. Actually, ang in-expect ko dito, magkaroon siya ng follow through yung bullish momentum niya. But as you can see, after mag-breakout and then retest, medyo hesitant yung price umakyat. And it's a sign of deceleration from upside momentum, right? Dito wala na siyang follow through, nagkakaroon na siya ng weakness. Okay? And then we also have bearish divergence as well. So there's a possibility na magkaroon tayo ng decline kung hindi talaga magtutuloy yung upside momentum nito. And looking left, we're also sitting at this resistance level from Feb 2022, right? So make sure to be aware na nagde-decelerate na yung price ng cable. Going down sa lower time frame, we can also see multiple failed breakouts. So first, itong failed breakout na to from this resistance, and then second, failed breakout na to from this resistance. So kapag marami ng failed breakout or failed breakdown na ginagawa, sign din yan na nagde-decelerate na yung price. So potentially, pwede tayong makakita ng short-term reversal, maybe intraday reversal now. Kung mabibreak natin itong mga support level na to, itong mga higher lows, of course, that would add conviction dun sa short-term bearish na tinitignan natin, especially kung mabibreak natin tong 134.30 level, right? But as long as we're trading above this level, be careful pa rin kasi yung structure natin still to the upside. So pwedeng mag-bounce pa rin yan from here and then from here. But right now I don't want to be bullish kasi nasa daily resistance level tayo and nagpapakita na ng sign of deceleration, right? So that's for cable. Aussie daily time frame. So looking left in terms of our level, right? May resistance level tayo dito, and similar to GBP USD, nagpapakita na rin siya ng deceleration, right? So after this upside momentum, yung price nagde-decelerate dito. So parang nag-form na siya ng ascending wedge, which is a sign of reversal, and then bearish divergence. Nung Friday, nagkaroon tayo ng bearish close. A pretty big bearish candlestick, pero meron din tayong medyo mahabang wick. That means may buyers pa rin na pumapasok. Now, going down sa 4-hour time frame, dito magkakaroon tayo ng mas clarity na medyo hindi maganda yung price action niya ng Aussie dito sa 4-hour time frame. So for Aussie, actually ang tinitingnan ko dito, clear daily move as compared to intraday time frame, kasi for this one medyo nasa choppy environment na tayo. So better to stay away and wait na magkaroon ng clarity yung price action natin. similar to kiwi actually, sitting at resistance, may somehow may deceleration. Friday nag-close tayo as bearish, but sa 4-hour time frame it looks like na nagko-consolidate lang, although latter part ng Friday session nagkaroon tayo ng bounce from this support level. So kung titingnan nyo going back, so may trend line tayo dyan, well-respected trend line. Okay. And then meron tayong local or immediate support level dito. So may confluence siya. Nag-bounce tayo dyan. But after this, kung titingnan nyo mabuti, after this very big bullish candlestick, wala tayong follow through. Instead, nagkaroon tayo ng medyo malaking bearish candlestick as well. Right? So, right now, similar to Aussie, hindi din sobrang clear yung price. Maybe in short term, if we break this support area, especially this support level, pwede tayong makakita ng decline maybe back to 59.20 area. Kasi once we break this, ito yung next support level natin. But for now, kung magte-trade tayo within this range, medyo chop lang yung pwedeng mangyari dyan. Okay? Alright. Dollar CAD. So, dollar CAD, very bearish pa rin. Okay? Daily time frame, lower lows and lower highs. Last week, na-break natin tong support level na to at 136.50. So, looking left, previous resistance yan before. Recently, nag-act din na support pero very shallow bounce, and then nag-break down tayo dyan. Actually, sa lower time frame, so 4-hour time frame, mas clear atong support level na to. Right? So, nangyari, nag-break down, and then retest, then drop. Right? So, ano yung pwede natin expect this week? So, medyo malaki yung room natin for room to go down towards dun sa next support level natin at 134.40. Right? Ito na yung next support level natin . So, going down sa intraday time frame, siguro every retracement, we can take advantage of that, given na corrective yung magiging retracement niya, no, hindi impulsive. That would be a good opportunity to go short. Invalidation ng bearish bias natin short term for dollar CAD is this last clear lower high na ginawa niya. So as long as we're trading below this level, we can look for bearish setup, especially dito sa level na to, right? So I'm expecting further decline sa dollar CAD, but of course kung magkakaroon tayo ng lalo na on Thursday, magkakaroon tayo ng upside momentum, yung mga ganyan, of course kahit na nasa bearish trend pa rin tayo, we have to be cautious, no? Dollar Swiss. So, dollar Swiss, nag-bounce tayo from this daily support level. Looking left, support natin yan before. We can also see bullish divergence forming, although yung trend natin bearish pa rin. So, last week, nag-form tayo ng doji, which, of course, signals an indecisive market. So, momentum-wise and structure-wise, bearish pa rin, right? But currently, we're sitting at support. So, you have to be careful going short kasi nasa support level tayo. So, going down sa lower time frame. So, ito yung decline na ginawa niya last week. Ito yung daily support area natin. So, nag-bounce tayo dyan. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng retest dito sa area na to, possible na makakita pa tayo ng decline. So, yung scenario is, pumunta siya dito, i-retest na tong area na to. Possible magkaroon pa tayo ng magkaroon pa tayo ng decline, right? That's a possibility kasi wala pa tayong nakikitang reversal dito sa intraday time frame. Dollar yen. So dollar yen daily time frame structure bearish, but right now nagko-consolidate lang tayo dito sa area na to, right? So ito yung lower low natin, ito yung lower high, right? So after this lower high, so nagkaroon tayo ng sell off, but then after that 2 weeks na tayo nasa nagko-consolidate lang, right? So pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng if magbe-breakout tayo dyan, maklear natin yung upside ng range, pwede tayong magkaroon ng rally maybe back to 148.60, and kapag na-break naman natin yung support or yung lower extreme ng range, pwede tayong pumunta sa 139.80 support level. But as long as we're trading within this range, medyo wala tayong pwedeng maging directional bias dyan, right? Short term. Okay? So that's for dollar yen. And then of course we have gold. Now gold fundamentally bullish, especially sa nangyayari sa Israel and Iran, right? So fundamentally bullish, but currently we're sitting at this resistance area sa daily. Now maybe we can take advantage of yung bullish momentum pa rin niya going down sa lower time frame. Kung titingnan natin dito sa 4-hour time frame looking left, we're currently sitting at resistance level. So hindi pa talaga natin nakiklear yan. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng multiple close above this level, we can maybe we can look for longs back to 135 area. Ito yung all-time high. Level, right? So again, bullish pa rin fundamentally and technically yung gold, but of course we have to be aware na we're sitting at resistance level. So ito yung all-time high level. Okay, so that's for gold. And then lastly, no, hindi pala ito yung last. So punta muna tayo sa Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, last week nag-fail tayo dito sa resistance level na to. Ito yung almost all-time high level. Nagkaroon tayo ng decline. Possible scenario, pwede muna tayong mag-range kung hindi siya magtutuloy upside. Pwede tayong mag-range dito. We have this as our upper extreme, yung all-time high level, and then lower extreme itong support level na to. So pwedeng dito lang muna tayo maglaro, but if we break 100,500, that could actually open more downside move for Bitcoin, maybe back to this moving average sa 100 and 200 moving average natin. So ito yung titingnan natin as 4-hour support level sa Bitcoin. Okay, so yung 100K, that's of course also psychological level and big number din. But for now, pwedeng ma-stuck lang tayo dito sa range. Actually, same with Ethereum na sideways lang after hitting this resistance level. Okay. So sa minor, may isa akong tinitignan na actually taking at GBP Swiss. So yung GBP, as you can see nung tinignan natin yung GBP USD, nagkakaroon na siya ng weakness, nagkakaroon siya ng deceleration. And last week din, GBP medyo siya yung nahuhula in terms of yung mga currency. So may weakness tayo nakita last week from GBP, and then strength sa Swiss franc. So GBP Swiss, in terms of technicals, it's a daily. Nagkaroon tayo ng impulsive move and then a recovery dito parang nakita rin natin nagkaroon tayo ng head and shoulder, left shoulder, head. May confluence ng resistance 100 and 200 moving average, right? Right shoulder. And then itong support level, nagkaroon tayo ng breakdown from that level. Very impulsive move. So, kung pupunta tayo sa lower time frame, right? So, 4-hour time frame. So, ito yung head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown. Retest, nag-retest siya dito sa area na to. So, itong area na to, as long as we're trading below this level, I'm expecting a move back to this support level. So, 109.20. So, pwede na rin balikan. Yan, as long as we're trading below this this level. Okay? So, yun lang for today's video, guys. Again, be aware ng mga high impact news natin for this week kasi medyo madami-dami yan. And of course, yung environment natin ngayon sa market is risk off. So, be careful also in trading yung mga high risk asset. Okay, so yun lang for today. Good luck and trade safe.